Hi, I am Magdi. Welcome to my channel.
One of my friends was so nice, drop up Hungarian peppers and I made lecho. And I have the place where you can have it or buy it right now. Check the card and then you can where you can find it in Los Angeles. Today I made it with a little pasta. We call it nokedli, and it's delicious. And you can have it with fresh bread or anything you desire. Lecho is delicious. This bread, I just want to inspire you to make breads. It's easy. You can mix it at night and leave it on the counter, form it in the morning, bake it. It's delicious. Gourmet Hungarian, and you can find, I think, three kinds of recipe how I make it.